After being snubbed by Wharton a week ago, BJP's Gujarat strongman Narendra Modi addressed his supporters in the US through a video conference.
That's right, Narendra Modi carefully choosing the subject of secularism to win over his American audience, but his definition of secularism not going down too well with the opposition.
Merely 7 days after his name was dropped from the list of keynote speakers at Wharton, Narendra Modi addressed the Indian diaspora in the United States via video conferencing. Narendra Modi choosing the subject of secularism to win over his American audience.
और मेरी सेकुलरिज्म की डेफिनेशन बहुत सिंपल है, इंडिया फर्स्ट। हम कोई भी निर्णय करें, कोई भी काम करें जिसमें भारत सर्वोपरि होना चाहिए, भारत की भलाई से नीचे कम कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर ये रहा तो सारा सेकुलरिज्म अपने आप हमारी रगों में दौड़ने लग जाएगा।
And Narendra Modi's speech clearly never complete without quoting the Gujarat growth story. And his audiences all the way in the US too got a slice of that.
जब भी गुजरात की चर्चा होती है तो विथ रेफरेंस टू डेवलपमेंट होती है और उसमें हमारी कमियां भी उजागर होती है और मैं इसका स्वागत करता हूं, क्योंकि कोई ये तो दावा नहीं कर सकता कि इतने सालों की सब बुराइयों को कोई एक आदमी ने एक दशक में ही पूरा कर दिया होगा, लेकिन लोग इतना विश्वास करते हैं कि भाई यही रास्ता है जिससे अंधेरा छटने वाला है।
But Modi's address not going down too well with the opposition, which mounted another offensive just hours after his speech.
जो लोग सेक्युलरिज्म की परिभाषा दूसरों को बताना चाहते हैं, उन्हें खुद समझने की जरूरत है कि सेक्युलरिज्म क्या होता है।
जो गुजरात मॉडल है, वो मॉडल जिस तरह गुजरात में सांप्रदायिक हिंसे हुए हैं, जिस तरह समानताएं बढ़ी है, जिस तरह बड़े कॉर्पोरेट्स को पूरी तरह सहूलियतें दी गई है, ये मॉडल cannot be acceptable for India.
But the BJP once again rushing to defend the Gujarat strongman.
The Bharatiya Janata Party have always believed that development is of prime importance in a country like ours where there is a lot of backwardness. At the same time, the way efforts have been made to divide the country on criminal lines in the name of pseudo-secularism or in the name of secularism, that is also very unfortunate, and we have to guard against it. And these are the 2 points which Narendra Bhai has made, and he was only voicing the concerns of the Bharatiya Janata Party and well-known policies of the BJP.
Narendra Modi's address seen as a counter to the Wharton snub, as the Gujarat CM seems very keen to build his brand image post his historic win in Gujarat. Bureau Report, Times Now.